Hey guys, it's shuntelluniquee and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to show you guys how I slay my makeup with this bomb ass cut crease look. Rocking a bob, you feel me? So if you guys want to see how I got this look, make sure to keep watching. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, push that notification bell so you can always get notified, and make sure to comment down below if you guys like this video or not and what other videos you guys want to see. And let's get right into the video.
Your love is too good to be true. Baby boy, your love got me tripping.
Hey guys, okay, so here I am. I'm going to be applying my Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade on my eyebrows, and I'm going to be just doing my eyebrows. So next I'm going to be taking my LA Girl Pro Concealer, and I'm going to be concealing my under eyes. And I'm going to be concealing the top of my eyebrows as well. Make sure everything is straight and even, and okay, so now I'm going to be taking my damn beauty blender. I'm going to be blending all that out. So now here you see me holding this. This is a wax paper for your edges. This is for me to hold my edges together and also not to have makeup on my edges. So now I'm going to be taking this color, and I'm going to be taking this blue here, and I'm going to mix that together to create a purple shade. And this is kind of going to be on your crease, but a little bit above your crease as well, because we're all going to be blending this same color out onto the whole eye. So now here you see me blending with a different brush, and here you see me putting more blue inside the crease of my eye to make it a little bit darker, because I am going to be doing a cut crease, of course. So now I'll be taking that black. You can take any black from any palette, and I'm going to be taking that and putting that on the crease, but I'm not going to go too far into the crease, just the outer part of the crease. I'm going to be taking the NYX eyeshadow base in the color white, and I'm going to be cutting the crease. I don't know, I didn't get the footage of me cutting the crease completely from when I started, but yeah, I'm cutting the crease, and I really like this base because it's white and it makes your the shadows come up on that color really good. So yeah, so now I'm going to be patting out the edges to make everything even. I'm going to be taking them same two colors that I used to blend the purple, and I'm going to be making a purple shade again. Okay, so now I'm going to be taking the City Color eye glitter glue, and I'm going to be placing that all over my cut crease, and I'm going to be adding glitter. I added glitter before this, but I don't know, seam cut off, and I'm going to be adding another silver glitter on top of that. So now that I'm done with my eyeshadow, I'm going to be adding lashes and come back with the other eye done. So now I moisturize my face with Nivea cream because I have dry skin. So if you have oily skin, I do not suggest using the Nivea cream. I mean, you can use the Nivea cream, but put a primer, a matte primer on as well. I'm taking the Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the color 360, and I'm going to be placing that all over the face. And I usually pat my foundation on so it won't be streaky or cakey. So now I take my LA Girl Pro Concealer, the same concealer that we used on our eyebrows, and I'm going to be placing that on my under my eyes, my nose, my cupid's bow, my chin, and my forehead, and I'm going to be blending that all out. So now I'm going to be contouring with the Black Radiance palette. Next, I'm going to be using my mascara by Wet n Wild. I'm going to be putting that on my bottom lashes. Next is the Airspun powder. I'm going to go in everywhere I set concealer. So I'm just going to set everywhere I put concealer. Now I'm applying a little bit of blush. And then I'll go back in and brush off all of that excess airspray powder. And now I'm going to go in some makeup wipes and I'm going to wipe off my lips of all the excess makeup that was on my lips to get ready for my lip gloss. Now I'm lining my lips with a black lip liner pencil. Some might like to use brown, but I like black because it's more bolder. Now I'm going to take my lip gloss by Kiss, and this is just in a pink shimmery shade. I'm going to be applying that. Now I'm going to take two different types of highlight, and it's going to be a blush highlight and a gold highlight. I'm just going to place those on top of each other. So now I am finally finished. This is the look. We are slaying, and this is what it is, period. You feel me? Period.
Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed making it for you guys. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, push that notification bell so you can always be notified whenever I post a video. Please let me know down in the comment section how you guys feel about my hair and how you guys feel about this makeup look. And yeah, I love it. So make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, push that notification bell, and I'll see you guys next time.
Bye guys.
It was nice like this, feeling right like this. I never really spent no time like this, huh?